Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see what are the guidance for you for your relationship. What are the answers you need to know, what universe has to tell you. Okay, let's get some cards and let's see what's coming towards you. Please just guide me. It's a yes. Okay, something that you have been manifesting, something you want, it's gonna happen. Whatever you are manifesting, whatever you are praying, it's gonna happen. Okay, that's a yes card for sure, and that is going to happen. That is going to make you smile and happy. Rainbow, it's all about rainbow, it's all about happiness, it's all about light. Okay, so something that's gonna make you really happy here. You will feel great, guys. Again, yes. Oh my god, two yes you have got. Okay, and two yes, it's just like, two of cups energy. This angel here is taking two cards, sun and moon. Okay, so positivity, your emotions going to get stable. Okay, it's like sun, which means new beginning, hope, positivity in this relationship. And we also have moon, which means your emotions is going to get balanced. Okay, maybe you're getting emotional these days a lot, your emotions are too high, you might be crying also. Okay, but everything is going to be balanced. Okay, very beautiful energy, and both the cards are like yes. It's a big confirmation. Okay, something you're manifesting, something you want in your life, it's gonna happen. What a beautiful card. Let's see what else. Forgiveness. Okay, this relationship needs forgiveness. This person is coming for an apology, this person is coming for the forgiveness. So it's going to be up to, it will be your decision what decision you take. Okay, I think you need to heal also to forgive somebody. Maybe you have lots of grudges, you have lots of anger because of this person, the way they treated you. Okay, listen to your intuition. So if you're going to forgive them or you're going to move on, you're going to forgive them and move on, it's going to be your decision. Or you forgive them and want another chance or new beginning in this connection. Again, that is your energy. Okay, that is your decision, whatever you want to take. Ask for help from others. So your friends, your family, if they know about this connection, they can help you, they can guide you better. Okay, the connection you have with people around, they can help you, they can guide you in this connection. Remain positive. Okay, guys, so you have to remain positive about your relationship, about your situation right now. Okay, and positivity will bring peace and harmony, and a better place for the relationship, or a better chance for things to mend between you both. Okay, let's see what are the other messages for you within next few weeks. Okay, so next few weeks are very important for you. It's gonna happen within the next few weeks. Next few weeks are very important for your relationship, something that's gonna happen. Wait for the right time, wait for the right period. Okay, so you have to have patience. Okay, for this connection, there's a wait energy. Wait for the right timing, wait for the divine timing, wait for the perfect timing. Romance is coming your way. Okay, it's a yes card. This person's reaching you out. Choose a new direction. Okay, you guys need to choose a new direction. Maybe the pattern you both are having, everything is like stuck. You guys need to choose a new direction. Either you have to lose your ego and communicate with this person, but you need to change the direction. Okay, if you believe it's gonna happen. Okay, forgiveness, if you want to forgive this person, if you believe, if you have faith in this connection, if you feel like I can still go with this relationship, it's gonna happen. Okay, peaceful resolution. So no matter what has happened between you both, there is going to be peaceful resolution between you and your person. Okay, everything is going to be sorted, everything is going to, wow guys, what we have, romance. I said romance is coming your way, and here you go, you have romance energy. Okay, so forgiveness, romance, peaceful resolution, everything will be fine, everything is going to get better. You need to forgive this person. You guys need to choose a new direction, because you guys are in a pattern. Okay, maybe you are quiet, this person is quiet, nobody's saying anything. So you guys need to change the direction. You guys need to put effort here. Okay, and there is a peaceful resolution, there is romance that's coming your way very soon. Okay, a romantic start between you both, a new direction that's going to help you, and there will be peaceful resolution. You both are going to have you both are going to work and sort out, okay, this relationship, because that's what I'm getting. Okay, romance and the peaceful resolution energy. All right, okay, let's see what tarot has to tell you, what's coming towards you. What are the guidance from the angels for your relationship? What you can expect happening? Please guide me. What's coming towards my viewers from their person and in their love life? Queen of Wands, the passion is returning back, okay? Queen of Wands is a very far energy, passion, love for each other, romance. There is a passion, there is still love between you both, okay? And this person is returning back in your life. Yeah, the Hermit. Actually, they went into this isolation. They were not talking to you, but they are guided here, okay? The Hermit energy is all about being guided by the universe. They are choosing you. They are doing lots of introspection, healing also. That's why they are not talking or communicating with you, because they are trying to understand this connection, okay? Nine of Cups, something that's gonna make you happy. Again, we have two nines here. Something that's gonna make you happy, okay? 9 days, 9 weeks are very, very important for this person to come forward, okay? Happiness that's coming. Devil energy, they're still very attracted towards you. Obsession that is there, they are not able to move on, okay? They are not able to move on no matter how much toxic this relationship has got, or whatever happened between you both. No matter what, if there was a trust issue, there was abusive relationship, this person is not able to move on. And guys, what just flipped from my hand? Just, can you see this card? It just flipped, okay? Here you go, it's just flipped here. What is it? The Lover. So there is definitely reunion, reconciliation, forgiveness. It will be your decision. No matter what, you both love each other. No matter what has happened in the past, you both love each other a lot. There is definitely reunion. 6 to 9 days are very, very important. This person will definitely come back to you. This person is definitely reaching you out. There is reconciliation. You both can't live with each other, okay? And you both can't live without each other as well, okay? So this is this scenario where you can't live with each other also, can't live without each other also, okay? Because we do have, if you see in both the cards, both people are standing like that, okay? You both are standing. You both don't want to give up on this connection, okay? No matter how toxic this relationship is getting, but you both are like, there's still hope, there's still chance, okay? So it's just like devil and the, so it's up to you, like where you will feel like who will win. Is devil going to win here, or the universe, or like your love wins here, okay? So devil and the Lovers. This is the energy. You can't live with each other also, you can't live without each other also. But yeah, this is the reunion. This person's coming back. The passion is returning back. Beautiful energy and very different reading today. Universe is protecting you, okay? Universe is protecting you. Universe is coming and interfering and kind of making this relationship better again, okay? Universe is healing this relationship again. King of Pentacles, they are yet not telling you their feelings, but they really value you, okay? They are not able to move on. They still think about you. They still think about stability, reconciliation. They want to talk to you. Commitment and stability, Hierophant energy. What I'm telling you guys, universe is playing its role here, okay? And definitely Hierophant energy is all about prayers that you have been doing for so long, manifestation that you have been doing for so long. It's coming true, okay? This person's coming with commitment. This person's coming with stability, okay, that you have been manifesting for so long. They are not happy without you, okay? They are with the Five of Cups. They feel sad. They are not happy. They are regretting what they did to you. They want another chance, okay, in this connection. Let's see what is the last card for this reading. Eight of Pentacles. Again, you could be odd sign, or this person could be water sign. You both could be odd sign, or one person is water and one person is earth here, okay? This person wants to put effort. This person wants to mend things with you, and that's why I said romance is coming your way, okay? So the romance will be back, the passion will be back in this relationship. This is beautiful energy, guys. This is beautiful energy, okay? Please claim it. You guys can't live without each other. You both love each other a lot, no matter what has happened in the past. This person is coming back. This person wants to reunite. This person wants to put effort and mend things, okay? This person is ready to build the trust again. This person is ready to build the relationship again with you, okay? So this was your reading. I hope you can resonate with this, and I'm going to see you in my next video very, very soon. Beautiful energy. I hope you all have reunion soon. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you all very, very soon. Bye bye, guys.